Hey, what is up guys? In this video I'd like to do a crash test with this iPhone 7 prototype. This iPhone 7 prototype against the train. And yes, I hope you like this crazy crash test. Let's go guys! Put the iPhone like this. And yes, good luck iPhone. Guys, check this out. Whoa, this looks so cool. Oh shit. Here just plastic in this prototype. And yes, is there any more? Well, the grass is very long, so it's not easy to find pieces. Yes guys, I can't find more. This was the crash test. I think this looks very cool. The phone is completely destroyed guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more videos and bye bye.